Remove the waterproof strip at the co-pilot position and the side cover plate of the central control. Take out the longest light strip and fill it with double-sided adhesive tape. Route the longest light bar along the lower part of the central control panel. Put the connector through the round hole below and pull it out of the glove box. Connect cigarette lighter. Connection controller. Then connect to shorter light bar interfaces. Next, insert the connected light bar into the light bar from the joint on one side of the armrest box. Cut off the extra light bars. The other side is the same operation. Then put the longest line along the armrest box in the direction of central control. Connect the longest light bar interface. Tear off the other side of the double-sided tape of the light bar. Press the light bar up firmly with your fingers. Support a variety of lighting modes and mode selection of lighting changing with music.